Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. We are going to see the demonstration experiment of charging and discharging of capacitor. Aim: to find the time constant of the RC circuit. Apparatus: power supply, resistor, capacitor, voltmeter, bell switch and connecting wires. This is the circuit diagram which involves a R and a C, that is a resistor and a capacitor. You connect a supply or a battery and we measure the capacitor voltage in this voltmeter, and there is a bell switch to switch on the circuit. Theory: there are two parts. In first one is charging the capacitor through a resistor. When a capacitor and a resistance are connected in series with a DC circuit, with a DC current source, the voltage across the capacitor Vc takes some time to grow to its equilibrium value Vo. So we can write down the equation for capacitor voltage Vc is equal to Vo into 1 minus e raised to minus t upon Rc. When t is equal to Rc, so substituting t is equal to Rc in this equation, we get Vc is equal to Vo into 1 minus e raised to minus 1, and that is equal to 0.632 Vo. So the time t is equal to Cr at which the voltage across the capacitor reaches 0.632 or 1 by E of its equilibrium value is called as a time constant of the circuit. Second part is discharging the capacitor through the resistance. When the DC source is disconnected from the RC circuit, after the capacitor is fully charged, the voltage across the capacitor Vc takes some time to reach zero value. So we write down the capacitor voltage Vc is equal to Vo into e raised to minus t upon Rc. When t is equal to Rc, Vc will be equal to Vo into e raised to minus 1. That is equal to 0.37 Vo. So the time constant t is equal to Rc may be defined as the time taken by the voltage to fall from the maximum value to 1 by E or 0.368 of its maximum value. Procedure: select convenient values of R and C and connect the circuit. Now press this bell switch. The voltmeter across the capacitor will show 0. This is at time 0. Release the bell switch and start the stop clock simultaneously. Note the voltage Vc with time till it reaches maximum value. Take the readings at an interval of 5 seconds or 15 seconds. So with time we will note down the capacitor voltage which will start from 0 and will reach the maximum value. Now for discharging, we have first fully charged the capacitor. Now disconnect the voltage source and short circuit these points, join these two points A and B. That is, disconnect the wire from the positive terminal of the voltage source and connect it to the negative terminal. Start the stop clock simultaneously and note down the values of the capacitor, that is Vc, the values of the capacitor voltage Vc with time till it reaches almost zero value. So the capacitor which has fully charged, which has reached its maximum voltage, now it will discharge. Okay, so the voltage will go on decreasing with time and will reduce down to 0. So with time we note down the capacitor voltage Vc. Formula is the time constant tau is equal to Rc, which is in seconds. This tau is equal to Rc. In this, R can be written as V upon I and C, capacitance, can be written as Q upon V. Q is the charge. V will get cancelled out and this I can be written as dQ upon dt. Substituting the units of charge as coulombs and for time as seconds, we get the unit as seconds. Then we plot a graph of Vc versus t. We get the charging curve this way with the maximum voltage Vmax. Here at 0.63 Vmax, the corresponding time is called as a time constant tau. Same way we plot the discharging curve Vc versus t. We get maximum voltage Vmax, and at 0.37 Vmax we get the corresponding tau, the time constant. Thank you for watching this video.